Yo, when I say I went way off track with my natural hair growth journey and paying attention to it, that's okay. We gonna get back on it. We gonna get back on track. Welcome back, Roses. This is Olena from OlenaRosanne, and as you can see, I got some new goodies from High Maintenance. Now, if you haven't heard about High Maintenance, check out my previous videos, but in the meantime, take a look at what I have here. First off, High Maintenance makes a hair tea, which I've already ordered and I drink and I spray in my hair and all types of things. But this isn't it beautiful? I'm so glad I got this. And next here, this is the newest item to High Maintenance, but they're Magic Crown hair vitamins. Yes, High Maintenance now has hair vitamins and they're gummies. They're yummy too, by the way, as you'll see me try them in just a few. But let me tell you, these things, whew, they don't taste like plastic. Yay. You take two a day, and this has no gelatin in it, gluten free, dairy free. Hey, y'all tried them other hair vitamins before and from other businesses. How about try these? Because I am, so you can follow along with me. They really are good. Seriously, I'm not just saying that just to be saying it. Next up, y'all, I didn't even know what this was at first, but this is something I have already ordered in the past, so I went and got my empty bottle of it just to show y'all. But what this is the High Maintenance Magic Crown Potion. Y'all, when I tell you this stuff does wonders to my scalp, it feels so good. It's so refreshing, cooling sensation. I was so upset when I didn't have any more of this, and it's partly because I spilled it. That's okay. I got more, and look at here. I finally ordered a journal. You guys, I'm not even a journal writer at all. I don't even like to write. I can type, but I had to get this hair and lifestyle journal. Why? It's not just keeping track of what you do with your hair, what you put in your hair, keeping track of your vitamins and all the other stuff. There is so much more, as I'm about to show you. Okay, so we already have the length check t-shirt that you guys have seen in previous videos. Check those out. But there's all kinds of things you can keep track of. Look at this. Keep track of everything you're doing for wash day. Um, just anything you want to make note of, not forget, things you try, things that work for you, don't work for you. This is all the way broken down. It even shows your workout. Now, I wasn't even ready for this. I was like, what? I can keep track of my workout because I'm a girl trying to exercise a little bit. But there's even spots where you can put before and after pictures, your final thoughts, and this planner is for 6 whole months, which is so worth the money. Because I was like, is this only for a month? But then I saw it was for 6 months, makes it worth it. So I have brand new items that I just purchased. Well, it took a while to open up, but these are all from High Maintenance. Check out the description box below for information. If you would like to place an order, make sure you use my discount code because we try to save some money here. And make sure you subscribe. Go ahead and subscribe now. I'll talk to you later, Roses. Bye.